Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the physical setup. Remove plastic and identify the power, Ethernet, and phone/ONT cables. You want the hub in an open spot with a clear 1 to 2 meter radius. Good ventilation reduces throttling and heat issues. Next, plug the phone line into the ADSL port or connect the WAN Ethernet to your fiber ONT, then connect the power. Once done, power the hub on and watch the LEDs during boot to confirm the device begins its initialization sequence. Once the hub finishes booting, connect your laptop by Ethernet or join the Wi-Fi using the printed SSID and password. Ethernet makes configuration faster and avoids wireless drops. Open 192, 168, 254 in your browser. You will be guided through the quick setup, which auto-detects ADSL or fiber and applies ISP parameters. Make sure to change the admin password now for security. Also rename the two 4 GHz and 5 GHz SSIDs and set a strong Wi-Fi passphrase. Make sure to save and apply changes before continuing. Finish by testing your network. Run a speed test and walk around the home to check signal strength on both bands. Once satisfied, enable automatic firmware updates and configure guest Wi-Fi or parental controls. Reserve IPs for key devices to avoid conflicts. If you encounter problems, first reboot the hub and ONT. Next, check telephone microfilters or the fiber terminator. If still offline, use the reset pinhole to factory reset and repeat the quick setup. If outages persist, contact your ISP with LED diagnostics and test results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.